Okay, so we're going to be moving on to work for chapter 2, question 1. Question 1 says, an airplane needs to reach a velocity of 203 kilometers per hour to take off on a 2,000 meter runway. What is the minimum acceleration necessary for the plane to take flight? So first of all, we're going to be using a formula of velocity. So it's going to be velocity final square minus velocity, or equals velocity initial square plus 2 acceleration s. S is for displacement. So this question is asking for acceleration, so we're gonna just isolate the variable for acceleration, which is as. And to do this, we're just gonna divide. We're gonna move. Okay, we're gonna do it step by step. We're gonna be moving the initial velocity to the left side, so we're gonna be. Then we're gonna divide 2s, and then we're gonna isolate a. So that's this is the new version of the formula that we're gonna be using. So to convert the velocity, to get this answer, we first need to convert velocity into meters per second. So they're giving velocity in kilometers per hour. So we're gonna just do a basic conversion. So velocity final is 203 kilometers per hour. So just do your basic conversion. So for a 1.1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, and for your every 1 hour is already this, so it's gonna be 3,600 seconds. Once you do this calculation, you should be getting 56.4 meters per second. So basically, since we already converted our final velocity, all we gotta do is just plug it into the formula. So 56.4 square minus our initial velocity, we know that is 0, 2, and our acceleration, but our distance is 2,000. So it's 2,000, the max, over 0, or minus 0, because our initial is 0 also. When we do this calculation, we know 0, 0, the 56.4 comes out to be 3,180.96 over, we know this result is going to be 2,000, so it's going to be 4,000. When you divide, you're going to get 0.79 meters per second. So the answer to this problem is going to be letter D, which is 0.79 meters per second squared.